Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi Sahib rahimahullah ta'ala, it is written about him that once he went to a city and gave a talk. He gave a bayan. A long talk, and if you read his bayanat, they are like 2 hours, 3-hour bayanat. Very, very long bayanat. So after that he gave his bayan, he was resting in his room. So somebody said, the khadim said that a person has come and he wants to see you. So he allowed him to come. He came and he saw him and he said, oh Hazrat, I've come from another city. I'm sorry, my train got delayed or my bus got delayed. I wanted to come to your bayan, but I got late. I'm very, very sorry, but I don't want to miss what you have just said. Those were not the times when the bayanat were recorded and it could be put online, or live streaming could have had happened. So he said, Hazrat, I've come from a long distance and I really missed your bayan. I'm sorry, but I don't want to miss the opportunity. Can you just please tell me that as to what have you said? A person of ikhlas, a person of sincerity who's come. Hazrat Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi Sahib rahimahullah ta'ala, just imagine, there was one person sitting in front. He has given a bayan for 2-3 hours, and I can tell you that if I give this talk now, and if you want me to repeat that, like right after that I'm done, I will say, my friend, let's do it tomorrow, because it's so hard to say those things again right after the talk. Hazrat made him sit, and he gave him the whole bayan to one person again. Allahu Akbar. This is ikhlas. This is ikhlas. Right?